Welcome back to the Andonix AI course. As we continue, you've arrived at episode 4, deepening your understanding of AI within the manufacturing sector. Remember, each episode builds on the last, so utilize the links in the video description for seamless navigation and don't miss the additional materials provided there for your benefit. We value your engagement and encourage active participation in our community discussions. For any inquiries, reach out. We're here to enhance your learning experience. Follow us on LinkedIn and our other social channels to stay informed. We're excited to announce that more content is on the way, ensuring your growth in AI knowledge never stops. Let's press on with episode 4, ready to expand your skills further. Here we go.
Next thing I want to show you, and this is basically in line to what I already mentioned, that the best use case in manufacturing is basically to use it as a manufacturing expert or co-pilot, right? And we already talked about that we spend 60% of our time gathering data, solving problems, making reports, analyzing data. That's a big booster right there. And the 35 to 400% increase depends on the use case. Some of them get more, some of them get less, but the productivity in there is enough to really move the needle, give you back time, and make you super, super competitive. And I think that what is important here is, for example, we had conversations with VPs of quality and say, hey, I'm a black belt, Six Sigma chaining expert. I have been training for 25 years in my life and I'm really good at it. Is ChatGPT going to be better than me? I don't know. Maybe not, or maybe it's going to be equal. But the better question is, how many of you have that skill set in your company? How many are black belts? How many are chaining experts? How many are, casting experts, food safety experts, performance engineering experts, industrial engineering experts? How many of you? The key here is precisely that having that expert in your pocket, generative AI can behave like an expert, like a vice president of quality. I told him that he can act as a chaining Red X expert, as a black belt expert, as a Six Sigma expert. He can do that. And that's the power of these, because it's not going to replace critical thinking. It's not going to replace decision making. That's up to you guys. But what it's going to do is going to help you. It's going to boost you performance-wise, productivity-wise, skill set-wise, because you will have that on your pocket every single time. And it will give you back time, and it will make you outcompete anyone in the labor market. And we want those people to be you, because early adopters are going to get a lot of advantage with these. So when you connect this to business, and for those of you that are also connecting your function to the business outcomes with profitability, cost structure, volume, the use cases are amazing, and we can share this with you. Feel free to reach out, to connect with us, and we'll share. If you have a very specific industry, if you have a very specific functional area, we can share with you what's being done in the real world, not hypothetically, not research. It's who is doing it and what they're doing, so you can get stimulated, and we can stimulate your vision. But the value is tremendous. For a small company, imagine the competitiveness that can bring to you. It's a game changer, because now you don't need to be a large multi-billion-dollar company to have access to these. ChatGPT Plus is like $20 a month. And in some solutions, for example, in our case, we're giving away for free the manufacturing expert, because we are committed. We truly believe. I was a frontline worker. I was homeless. And I believe that if I put this technology on the hands of enough people, it will give them an opportunity, and it will give them a lot of preparation. It will give them a shot. And that's my commitment. But the point in here, guys, is that, if you're a small company, this is a game changer. If you're a big company and you're starting to attract and retain talent, to build your skill set and train people, this is a game changer. It's just not a good business idea not to invest on these. We're a labor-intensive industry, and this is definitely going to impact business.
Thanks for watching. Click on to the next episode to continue exploring generative AI in manufacturing. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content to enhance your skills